The ontology team, we are trying to, over this weekend, to build a data repository using SPARQL server. And maybe before I go to demonstrate what we have done, maybe give you some background information on the ontology we have already built before this hackathon event. The ontology, we're trying to provide a structure of the information that could be used to label data related to the disaster response domain. The ontology contains 12 subject areas, which covers information about people, means could be responders that involve in disaster response operation, and the organizations and the disasters, and also what operations are these people and organizations are involved in, and also the temporary information about disasters and some other subject areas, and also the resources that are used to support the response operations. So over this weekend, the first thing we have done is trying to identify some related data that can be that we can use the ontology to label this data and put into our repository. And the data we have found so far is the GDEX data, which mainly is a database about the disasters and the damages. So the impact of the disasters on the infrastructure, on and the information about the disaster itself. And then, because this information is not structured, is basically HTML format. So we have team members should manually to create the instances using Ontologies, which is the ontology editor, following the structures we have created in ontologies. And then we set up a SPARQL endpoint, which we can input the RDF, which is the main data files that we have established into the SPARQL endpoint. And after this, we can make some queries to any kind of questions that we are interested into this SPARQL endpoint. And next, I will, Andrew and I will demonstrate what kind of queries we can make over this GDEX data set. And this is the So, for example, this one is a very simple one. It's basically gave you all the information we contain in the data repository. And can you show the result? So, in this table, it shows the information about in the classes and information about the GDEX datasets. So it follows the RDF graph model, which means the S represents the subject, the information you want to describe about something, so the subject. And in the middle column is the predicate, is the properties. So like how one thing is linked to another thing, so the links. And the third column is the objective, so the values, so or the individuals of another class that are linked to the subjectives.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this queries basically returns all the informations there. And the second one.
One second.
This is the SPARQL endpoint using the face you can use to put the different types of queries into the box. So here, like we want to know what are all these earthquakes in the GDEX database. We have the sample data set we've got. So like here, you see it retrieves the sample data, sample earthquakes we have in the data set. So that's
yeah.
What triple store have you used, Shuangyan?
It's called the Fuziki. It's a gender part. So.
Sorry. Yeah, so this one will display all the properties that you have for the earthquake. Yeah, the previous.
So the first one is just to give a list of the earthquakes, but this one will contain all the information about this list of earthquakes that showed just now. So it contains more information.
Yeah. Yeah, I can give more examples. I just need to copy.
And we also could query about what's the magnitude, some information about the disaster earthquakes, like what's the magnitude of it, and
yeah, what is
so
that?
this one shows.
This one shows when the earthquake started.
Yeah, the start time of earthquake.
Yeah. Yeah, this is.
Can we take another 2 minutes?
Shuangyan?
This is showing the magnitude.
So this is the magnitude of the earthquake. So we can and also we can query like affected infrastructures, like including airports, ports that are affected by specific earthquakes. So this is just trying to demonstrate with the instance data set and what kind of question we can ask about the earthquake. So that's we have.
Yeah.